name is Alicia and this is Project Beaat and we bake vegan treats, so let's get baking. So today we're going to be making a date loaf. This one does require a little bit of time just because you put the dates in water and let them soak for about an hour, which is the part we're going to do now. And then once it's been an hour and they've soaked, we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so to start with, this is the part before you have to wait an hour. 1 cup of chopped dates, 1 cup of boiled water, a teaspoon of baking soda, why not a little extra, and a tablespoon of butter. Mine's melted from a previous little project, so just go mix half a tablespoon, a whole tablespoon. You then mix this around until the butter is completely melted, which won't be long in my case because it pretty much already was. Then you watch it like a hawk for an hour. I'm kidding, you can walk away from it, it's fine. I'm going to leave it here for an hour and I'll see you back. See you in a minute. Alrighty, we are back. I've got my oven preheating, 180 on bake. Yep, 180 on bake, and I've lined a tray to the side here. Next step is to beat the sugar into a mixture that has been sitting for an hour along with an egg, but I'm not using an egg, I'm using a 1/4 cup of carbonated water, and I believe the almonds go in as well. Not almonds, sorry, walnuts. What a lovely noise. So you got the sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm using half and half, but I'm also going to add in a little bit of golden syrup to make up for me not having ingredients. 1 cup of roughly chopped not dates, holy smokes, I'm losing it. 1 cup of roughly chopped walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of fizzy water. And we beat. Once you can see that the dates are all starting to blend up a little bit, they'll beat up. You then want to add in your flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until just combined. You're going to use a good old trusty scraper to make sure all the flour is off the edges and off the bottom. No liquid at the bottom there, which I have found. Gotta combine that through. Alright, now that is all combined into our lined tin, and then we bake it. Good batter. Hopefully it makes a better loaf. Bake at 180 for 45 minutes. Alrighty, 45 minutes are up. Oops. Those top little bits are looking a little crispy. But let's check if it's cooked in the middle. It's very light and fluffy. It's coming out a little sticky, but I'm hoping that that's just because, yeah, that one's clean. I think it'll just be a little sticky in the middle. Tell you what, I'm gonna leave it in the hot oven for a bit, but just to see if I can cook that middle a little bit more. But it'll keep cooking in the tin as it cools anyway. I have a date loaf. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to make a date loaf. If you want to see the final image, you can check it out on my Instagram. My Instagram will be linked in the description below. As will the recipe. I will have a written recipe written out for you if you'd like to follow along and make a date loaf as well. They're really, really nice, really, really moist, and I use carbonated water instead of eggs to give it a light, fluffy feeling and also make it, yeah, tastes good. I was thinking about it, and caramel is kind of, well, not caramel, sorry, dates are like the modern day caramel. People use them in raw baking and stuff like that all the time to give like a caramel kind of taste. So this is almost a caramel loaf when you really think about it. That is all I have for you today. I hope you have enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and comment down below if you think date loaves are in or if you think they're a little bit too old school. Until next time, peace.